Hello everyone, my name is Akshay. Today I will discuss with you on the topic of nervous system. So nervous system, it is one of the brain controlling system, or it is the body's command center originating from brain, which controls each and every movement of the body, like the thoughts or the atomic responses or stimulation that is controlled by this nervous system. It is the vast network of nerves which sends the signals to and from other glands, cells, and muscles to all parts of the body. These nerves receives the stimulus or the electrical signal which is getting interpreted by the brain, and brain, after interpreting it or reading it, outputs the or generates the signal, and the action is carried out, which we called response. Components of the nervous system are central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord, whereas peripheral nervous system consists of somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Talking about the brain is divided into three parts: forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain, which consists different organs. Like forebrain consists cerebrum, thalamus, and hypothalamus, whereas hindbrain consists of cerebellum, pons, and medulla, whereas midbrain, it is the passage for conducting the message. Talking about spinal cord, it is a long tube-like structure which originates from the brain or extends from the brain. Both motor and sensory nerves are located into the spinal cord, where pairs of spinal nerves comes out of each segment. Thus, CNS, which is consisting of brain and a spinal cord, where the nerves present into the spinal cord help in receiving the electrical signals which are carried towards the brains, where the brain interprets it and sends the output response, that is stimuli, through the nerves to the rest part of your body. Now talking about the PNS, that is peripheral nervous system, which consists of nerves and ganglia that lies outside the brain and the spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system is divided into two parts, that is somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Talking about the somatic nervous system, it consists of 12 pairs of nervous or cranial nerves, where two nerves are exception, that is olfactory nerve and optic nerve, which starts there and ends there. Somatic nervous system, it is the voluntary controller or voluntary activity controller system. Also consists of motor nerve fibers that comes out of the brain, which helps in transmitting the messages for movement and necessary action to skeletal muscles. Talking about autonomic nervous system, it consists of three parts: sympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system, and enteric nervous system. This nervous system controls the nerves of internal organs which are hollow and that have no conscious controls, that are involuntary, like heartbeat, digestion, breathing, except conscious breathing. Nerves of ANS innervates smooth involuntary muscles of internal or inner organs and glands which are responsible for their function, that is secretion of enzymes. Thus, talking about the function of the nervous system, it helps in monitoring the change, as millions of nerves or sensory receptors that are present inside and outside of the body helps in generating the stimuli and gather the information. Then interpretation of sensory output, that is the response that brain gives. Then effects responses, that is given by the glands or muscles through motor output.